What's up guys, welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman. Today we're going to change our battery. So my battery lasted for at least 4 years. It's just short of four years, and now it just needs replacement because it's getting old and it's not starting properly. So with the Ford Ranger battery, sometimes it can last from 4 to 5 years. Because I've got a lot of accessories on this Ford Ranger, I've got the winch, I've also got the lights and the DC charger. It only lasted up to just under 4 years. So I'll be showing you how to take out the battery and also how to put back the battery. So I'm going to replace the battery with a 800cc, which is a cold cranking amps. And this one is a 750 cold cranking amps. So the 800 would be a lot better. So what we want to do first is remove the negative. Just put this here so it's out of the way. So after doing the negative, we remove the positive. We'll start with this one first. An AGM battery, which stands for absorbed glass mat, is a type of lead acid battery where the electrolyte or battery acid is absorbed into a glass mat, separator between the positive and negative plates instead of being a free-flowing liquid. Now we need to remove this one here. So I went with the AGM battery because it's maintenance free. An AGM battery are sealed and don't require topping off with water, unlike traditional flooded batteries. It is also spill proof. The absorbed electrolyte means that the AGM battery are less prone to spills or leaks even if tipped over. Just need to loosen it. We're also going to remove this little white thing here. Just going to tape some of this so it doesn't get in the way. Just got to do one more bolt, which is under here. Oh, untighten that one. So these batteries are quite heavy, so make sure you have someone to help you to lift it up. It is also vibration and shock resistance. Its design of AGM battery makes them more resistant to vibration and shock than traditional flooded batteries. AGM batteries generally have a longer lifespan than traditional flooded batteries. AGM batteries can provide higher starting power and better performance in demanding applications, such as a vehicle with start-stop systems. So just give the insides a nice clean. Now we can put the new battery in. So the new battery is actually a little bit heavier than the old ones. And this one's got the 800cc. AGM batteries are commonly used in vehicles with start-stop systems, premium cars, and in applications where vibrations, resistance, and maintenance-free operations are important, such as a marine and recreational vehicle, especially when you go off-roading and four-wheel driving. The only thing with AGM batteries, it requires a specific charging method to ensure they are charged properly and to avoid damage. Some chargers have a setting specifically for AGM batteries. So now we just do everything in reverse and we put everything back. Start with the positive first and then work our way to the negative. Alright, so put this one back. Chuck it in here. And take this one off. Like that. Don't forget to put back this one here, the cover. So it's got some protection. This one back. A disadvantage of an AGM battery is that it's a bit heavier than flooded batteries, which might be a consideration for applications where weight is a critical factor. Only thing about AGM batteries are typically more expensive than traditional flooded batteries. AGM batteries are more resistant to extreme temperatures than flooded batteries. They can be affected by high or low temperatures, which can impact their performance and lifespan. While AGM batteries can have a longer lifespan than flooded batteries, they still have a limited lifespan and capacity, and their capacity can degrade over time. Okay, so that side is done. We'll do this side. So I got my battery locally, which is called Marshall. It's an AGM battery. It's one of their premium batteries, and it's got 800 CCA, and it also has 3 years warranty, and the battery weighs 24 kilograms. So we gotta put these ones back. If you want to get this battery, I'll put a link on the description below. Go and check them out. They make good deals for the batteries. This one as well. CCA stands for cold cranking amps. It's a measure of a battery ability to start an engine in cold temperatures. We'll put this one back. Now you can put back some of your accessories and tighten the negative side. The higher the CCA rating, the more powerful the battery is at starting the engine in cold weather. This is also an 80 amp hour battery. Now that's tightened and that one's done. So now the battery is replaced. If you have any questions, just comment below and I'll try to answer your questions. So this battery is more of an upgrade battery. So when it's moving vertically and the car is moving, there's no liquid inside. It's absorbed within the battery. So it's quite good for four-wheel driving. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.